we have looked at a lot of different aspects of what a data engineer has to do. Let's look at a case study of how a Google Cloud customer solves a specific business problem. This will help tie all these different aspects together. Ocado is the world's largest online grocer. Ocado's customer service department receives a large number of messages. They may get a message saying, "My order is missing 12 items and I need them for a party in 6 hours. Help." Or another message that says, "I love Ocado, you're the best." And a third message that says, "My delivery is a few hours late. Can I get a refund?" Or maybe another message that says, "I scheduled a delivery for 3 p.m. today. I need to reschedule it, please." Which of these has a higher priority? The customer service agent has to read the message to know the priority, right? But at that point, they might as well handle the message. So how do you optimize the handling of customer service messages to figure out what the high priority messages are? That was a problem facing the data engineering team at Ocado. The engineering team used Google Cloud Platform to learn how to respond to urgent customer emails 4 times faster. How did they do that? They used Google's text processing capability and built several custom machine learning models to essentially read those emails, determine what the message was, what was being talked about, and whether each message was urgent or not. They built an ML model that classifies messages in terms of priority and puts them in different queues so that the urgent messages can be acted on faster. A request for a refund is not an urgent message and can probably be handled in a few hours. But if somebody says, "I have a party this evening and my items haven't arrived yet," or "I have a delivery scheduled for 3 p.m. and I'd like to reschedule it," those are more time sensitive, they're more urgent, and they should be handled higher up in the priority queue. A machine learning model that's able to understand natural language text will be able to do this. Ocado was able to build such an ML model using Google Cloud technologies. As a second example of companies that can democratize data access through the use of Google Cloud, take Twitter. Twitter has large amounts of data, and they also have very high-powered sales teams and marketing teams. But these really great sales and marketing people, for a very long time, did not have access to the data that was internal to Twitter. So they couldn't use their company's data to carry out the kind of analysis that they wanted to be able to do. Why? Because most of that data was stored on Hadoop clusters that were already completely overtaxed. So what Twitter's engineering team did was that they replicated some of that data from the Hadoop clusters onto cloud storage, loaded it into BigQuery, and provided access to BigQuery to the rest of the organization, to the sales and marketing teams. And because these were some of the most frequently requested datasets within Twitter, the sales and marketing teams were able to now go ahead and start analyzing data. With ready access to the data, many people who were not data analysts, those people are now analyzing data and making better decisions as a result.